Bugs Bunny!
Yeah. What's up, Doc?
I can't believe it, in my own house, it's Bugs Bunny! Bugs fucking Bunny!
Yeah. What's up, Doc? Yeah. What's up, Doc?
This game is garbage. I'd rather put my balls in a crocodile's mouth while shoving my head up a unicorn's asshole!
Fuck.
Ain't I a fucking stinker, motherfucker?
Ain't you a goddamn fucking piece of shit?
Yeah. What's up, fucker? Yeah. What's all the hubbub, bub?
It's like deliberately keeping me in the game so I can't stop!
Yeah. What's up, fuck, vagina, fuck?
Just shut up! He's one of the greatest cartoon characters of all time, but his leap to the Nintendo Entertainment System was just a total fucking shit bomb. I beat it! Now get out of here! I'll show you some funny tricks!
What's up, fuck?
I'll show you what's up, you fucking bunny piece of shit! Bugs Bunny's birthday blow up! How about Bugs Bunny's birthday beating? You wanna show her you can... You want some shit? Bombs away, bunny bitch!
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh, man. Don't worry, folks. It's not real. Fuck you, Bugs Bunny! Fuck you, Bugs Bunny! There you go. Got your ass handed to you.
Yeah. What's up, Doc?
Wow! It's been a while since I seen you. What game you hit me with? Bugs Bunny Crazy Castle? I can't wait to play this. Oh!
What was that?
Yeah. Play the game, Doc.
I'm not playing this shit!
Come on, Doc. Stick it in the Nintendo.
How about stick it up your rabbit hole?
Yeah. When you played Birthday Blowout, you knew you had some unfinished business, Mac. Yeah. Play the game for 2 minutes, and I'll let you hit me again.
Oh no! Whoa! God! You Nintendo dork, you broke my fucking house!
It's fucking Bunny! The fucking Bugs Bunny boot camp? Come on, I thought Toons liked to get beat up.
We do, Doc. But you know what we don't like? Getting shit on the fucking face!
That was 2 years ago.
Well, now it's your turn, Doc. Motherfucking nerd!
Oh, you like fucking carrots, don't you? Huh? Well, why don't you play it then? You're a bunny. You play. You play this filth. You like fucking carrots, don't you? Eat the fucking carrot. Eat this fucking carrot, you fucking piece of shit. Eat that fucking carrot. Rabbits and your fucking carrots. If you show that fucking carrot, you fucking ass.
What's up, Doc?
Give me the guitar.
I will not give it to you.
Give me the guitar. I need it.
No.
I need
It's mine. Get your own guitar.
Give me the guitar. I need it.
Of course you realize this means war, bitch! Motherfucking nerd! That feels good, Doc? Yeah, just like good old times, Doc! Like when I shoved Elmer Fudd's head up Tasmanian Devil's fucking asshole! Yeah, how's it feel to be a dying man, nerd? You're a dead man! You're a dead man!
Bullshit!
Guess who?
I knew it.
You're gonna die, nerd!
I don't give a fuck. I'm taking you with me. Or you like to play with bombs, huh? Well, bombs away, you Woody Bunny fucking pecker piece of shit.
Hey, you know what? Thanks. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Yeah, now cut that out!
Fuck you!
I'm back! It's yours truly, the fucking nerd, here to play some more shitty games.
That's all, fucks.